From this, we need to select the corresponding items. X1 corresponding to W1 corresponding to P1. So whenever we kept object 1, that is X1, in the bag with respect to weight, then we gain the profit P1. So here the selecting of items may select or may not be selected. If we completely select, then we will get the complete one. Not selected, its weight is 0. Selection part. If you select 1 by 2, that means half, that is 1 by 2. If you select 1 by third, like this. So always the X value, the selection of object exists in between 0 to 1 only. And the objects within the items only. I value exists 1 to n. So these are all the general constraints. So this is our objective function. This is our objective function. We need to maximize the profit while selecting the objects 1 to n. So whenever we select the object, corresponding item value with respect to the corresponding the part, how much part we select. Suppose object 1 is there, profit is 10. If we select half of the part, then it is the profit. This is the part, how much you select from the items. And its constraints are, weight constraints are always the bag capacity less than or equal capacity of the bag. W is the constraints. So here all objects can break into the small pieces. Xi can be any fraction value that must be exist in between 0 to 1. So you can able to break the objects in the fractional knapsack. That means in the greedy method you can able to break the object into small parts. So this is the problem of knapsack in the greedy method. Once again you will check, there are n objects and weights, they have weights with W1, W2 up to Wn. Whenever we keep these objects in the bag, we get the corresponding profits P1 to Pn. So these are all the selection of objects. So we have to maximize this profit PAXI, sum of all items, and that constraint is the selecting objects capacity always less than or equal to knapsack capacity capital F. This is the problem definition of the knapsack. So going to the problem, this is the same approach. Sometimes we name it as a fractional knapsack. Why? Because where Xi denotes the amount of taken from item. Same. Take this example. Suppose we have 3 objects. Bag capacity is 20 and its weights are profits are 5, 24, 15 for corresponding items 1 to 3, and its weights are 18, 15, 10. That will be represented in tabular form like this. Item 1, 2, 3. N is equal to 3. 3 objects are available. Weights are 18, 15, 10. Profits are 25, 24, 50. These are all the given data. Our aim is to maximize this profit. So subjective to constraints, always Wi Xi less than or equal M, where M is the 20. This is the capacity of bag. These are all the general constraints. So these are all the given resources. So for that, I have to apply the different feasible solutions. So according to the greedy method, we have to choose the best solution from all possible or feasible solutions. Where these feasible solutions are 1, 2, 3, that must satisfy the constraints. That must be satisfy the constraints with respect to objective function. So suppose I choose the feasible solutions like randomly or orderly. So from first item 1 by 2, second item 1 by 3, third item 1 by 4. Randomly I choose. Or suppose if I choose the based on the maximum profit. So I have to use the different feasible solution. First one is randomly I choose the item. Second one is the maximum profit. From this, which one is the maximum profit? 25 is the maximum profit. I completely include the bag into that one. So that is the weight is 18, included a bag. So bag capacity is 20. 2 more units are enabled to insert. That is why 2 by 15. That means 2 units from the second object I selected. This is the maximum profit method. Then we will get a minimum weight approach. Suppose if we want to choose the more number of objects, then minimum weight. Which one is the minimum weight? I3 is the minimum. So that is I3. So whenever you include that one, the 10 from the back, 10 is inserted. So next minimum weight is the second object. So from that I have to choose 10. That is 10 by 15 is 2 by 3. So I fill the complete diagram. Fourth one is the unit cost. Based on the unit cost, we will calculate unit cost like PI by W ratio. So these are all the 4 feasible solutions chosen. So this is the first one is the brute force technology. Second one is maximum force, profit, minimum weight. That is the unit cost. These are the feasible solutions. I will solve what is the weight, what is the capacity by substituting these equations. Suppose randomly I choose 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So this is x item is chosen 1 by 2. X2 item is 1 by 3, 1 by 4. While substituting that value, it is the vector for representation. While substituting that value in the PIXI, what is the PIXI value? 25 into PIXI. PI is P1. P1 is 25 into X1, 1 by 2. Like P2, 24 into X2, 1 by 3. P3, 55. Then you will get the profit is 24.25 only. The corresponding WIXI also calculating, I get this is the value. So this is one method. So randomly if I choose that value, I will get this maximum weight, maximum profit. This is the first method. By using the second strategy, depends on the maximum profit method. In this, I choose the vector 1 comma 2 by 115 comma 0. This value when I substitute this one, I will get 28.2 is the maximum profit. That will get by substituting these values. P1 is the 25, X1 is the 1. This is the 1. This is the vector value. And X2 value this one, that will be substitute like this. This is the second feasible solution. This is third feasible solution. So by choosing that one is minimum weight concept. Minimum weight concept means from this minimum weight is 10. The complete object is inserted into that one. Second 10 units taken from the second object, that way you will get like this. So 0, 2 by 3. So here while selecting the second object, the bag is completely filled. So according to the constraint rule, not possible to overload. That means whenever weight is not exceed the capacity of the bag. That is why I can't choose the first object. So by using this concept, I will get the profit of 31 only. By substituting these corresponding values, I got profit is 31. Next one is unit maximum profit per unit. Profit per unit calculate. Here the unit value is calculated like this: P1 by W1 for first object is 1.4. It means 25 by 18. P1 is 25. W is 18. P1 by W1 is the 1.4. P2 by W2 is the 1.6. P3 W3 by 1. Here I got the one unit cost vector. So by choosing this method, 1.6 is the greater. That is second object followed by third object followed by first object. This order of objects to select from. So by choosing first, I have to choose the second object. Its weight is 15. Completely insert this 15. Remaining 5 units taken from the third object. 5 units from 5 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 2. This is a vector for the unit cost method. So when I substitute this value in the objective function, 1 to 3, sum of 1 to 3 PIXI is equal, I will get 31.5. This is I got the 31. So from the table, 31 point is the maximum profit. So this is the random method, this is the maximum profit method, this is the minimum weight method, this is the unit cost method. So by analysis of this one, I will get that will. So what I had done, that will be shown in the pictorial method. These are all the given objects. Item 1 with 18 is the weight, profit is 25. When I choose this item 2, 15 is the weight, 24 is the profit. Like just I take the one empty bag, capacity 20. So here I am inserting that values, like this is the random, this is the maximum profit weight, profit, this is the minimum weight, this is the unit cost method, this is unit cost method. So this is the optimal solution. This is another way to represent the solution of knapsack. So this is the final solution. Just we got the maximum value of this one. So by analysis of these different methods, we'll get the maximum profit by using the unit cost method, always which is the better solution. So that is why we have to use the PI by WI ratio method is used to fill the knapsack with respect to items. So this ordering is best. PI by WI, P1 by W1 greater than or equal P2 by W2, like this. So this is the correct way to fill the items in the knapsack to gain the maximum profit. So this is the one more example. These are all the items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its weight is 4 ml, 8 ml, 2 ml, 6 ml and 1 ml, and corresponding profits are 12, 32, 40, 30, 50. Rajashree, Srekar, Sandeep,
Yes, sir.
ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి.
Then explain chala, sir.
Just what you are seeing in the board.
Given set has a number of items, and each item has I.
Total 5 objects are available, right?
Yes, sir.
Its weights are
4 ml, 8 ml, 2 ml, 6 ml, and 1 ml.
yes, these are given weights W. Right. Next,
Profits $12,
Okay.
$32.
Okay, right. Whenever you insert the item 1, that means 4 ml, then you get earn 12 ml, that is $12, right?
Yes.
ఓకే, ఆ ఐటమ్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మీకు ప్రాఫిట్ గెయిన్ అవుతుంది.
Okay, sir.
రైట్.
Next, 32 8 ml has a profit of $32. 2 ml has a profit of $40. 6 ml has a profit of $30, and 1 ml has a profit of $50.
ఓకే,
And then the value are 3, 4, 20, 5, 50.
హౌ విల్ గెట్ 3?
12 divided by 4 will be 3.
Yes, according to PI by W. In the previous example, group 4 technology, I solved the 4 feasible solutions. From that, which one is the best?
Last one, sir. Unit cost.
According to PI by WI ratio, that will be arranged in the proper order. Based on that, I will fill the knapsack. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So by calculating the PI by WI ratio, this is you will get, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next.
We have to choose the maximum profit with the weight.
This is 50,
Goal.
right?
Okay, next item. Yes, 50.
So that is the first item I have to fill.
Yes.
So what is the value available? 1 ml for
5.
item 1. Item 5.
Yes, sir.
This is the first item I am inserting into knapsack. That is the fifth item I inserted, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the
And
capacity of a bottle?
uh, okay, 10 ml. Yes, sir.
Right.
And then next 2 ml of third bottle,
$2
$40.
ml of third bottle. This is
Yes.
right. 1 plus 2.
Then
Next.
6 ml of fourth bottle.
So next maximum profit PIW is 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Its capacity is 6. 6 is inserted.
Yes.
Its capacity is 10. Already I inserted 1 plus 2 is equal to only 3. Now I am inserting 6. Total is 9. 9 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. That is why insert 9th this is object, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Then 1 ml of second bottle.
1 ml of second bottle. Next profit this is 1 ml. 8 ml cost is 32. 1 ml of
1 ml of second bottle, which is 4.
4, right. So what is the total profit?
124, I guess. 50 plus 40 plus 30 plus 4, 124.
124. 50
Plus 40, 90 plus 30, 120 plus 4, 124.
4, 124, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Is there any logic?
Sir?
Is there any difficult logic is there in the knapsack?
No, sir. Once I'll have to see the algorithm, how the code works, then I'll understand.
Yes. Then I will go to the algorithm.
Yes, sir.
What is the algorithm? Can you explain in your words?
Yes, sir. The profits are from 1 to n. N is the number of items.
Weights are given.
Yes, sir. Profits and weights are given. Then the order of P of I by W of I, profit by weight, should be greater than.
According to the ratio, I need the elements.
Yes, sir. So it will be arranging in order.
Order. That means decreasing or increasing order?
Increasing order, I guess, sir. అంటే పెద్ద నుంచి చిన్న. అచ్చా.
Decreasing కదా?
Greater than or equal to.
Yes, greater than means it is decreasing order. First which is the larger element, then accordingly.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah. Then x is like a looping variable. If you loop from 1 to n.
So initially no object is selected. Initially no object is selected. So initially x value is 0 for all.
Okay, sir.
So that is why m is nothing but back capacity assigned to the u, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is initialization process. Next.
Next we'll start the loop. Like for I is equal to 1 to n, we loop from starting to last.
What is the meaning of 1 to n?
First element to the last element. Like
it is applicable for all items.
Profit. Yes.
All right. Next. But is there any condition?
Yes, sir. Until the final element.
Right.
Then if weight of the item is greater than the maximum weight, then the this will break. Then the loop will be breaking.
That means whenever exceed the item selection, then break the loop.
Yes.
Right.
So x of I is equal to 1.2.
What is the meaning of this one?
I guess we are assigning value.
Yeah, initially we are assigning the first object 1, I is equal to 1,
okay.
x is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Corresponding object completely inserting. 1 means completely inserting.
Yes, sir.
That means then, you know the condition 0 less than or equal xi less than or equal 1, right?
Okay, sir.
Initially this is one of the constraints. X value always exists in between 0 to 1.
Okay. Then we'll as we have taken the maximum value in u, we keep on decreasing as we add the elements according to the
So
weight.
including weightage subtracted from the capacity of bag. How much is available to check this one, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, right. Same process is a repeat until complete that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about this one?
X of I is then 1 minute.
Every time we
First
will get
element
the Sandeep. Every time
yes,
we are getting the remaining back capacity in the U.
yes,
Suppose
sir.
X object value included, that will be
Then divided by the
subtracted
weight.
from the capacity. So U
Yes,
means remaining how much of a vacancy available in the knapsack.
yes, sir.
Yes, that object will be selected corresponding how much you suppose from the 10 units, 2 units you need to select 2 by 10. It is the capacity corresponding object.
Okay, sir.
Right, this is the algorithm. Is there confusion in the algorithm?
No, sir.
Anybody have doubts in the algorithm? So if you will get the questions like this directly, it is a 5 marks. If they are asked in the brute force technique, that means if you want to prove in 4 different methods, like by using the feasible solutions, you will get the 10 or 15 marks. So at the time you have to write all these things. Write random method, maximum profit method, minimum weight method, unit cost method. Okay, this is algorithm. So this is a algorithm complexity for knapsack. This is a N log n for sorting. It is a best either sort or best kick sort. So general complexity for this one is order of n for a greedy knapsack. Why? Because here only one loop is there. This is complexity for n. It is complexity for n. That is the order of n. Total complexity is order of n log n only. Just తెలుసుకోవడం కోసం ఇది Rajashree, next. Is there? You are also not responding, Rajashree.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain this problem? This is the problem textbook in exercise. You will try. So if objects are more number, the feasible solutions are difficult to solve. Why? Because the ratio taken is very somewhat difficult. So that we have to directly use PI by WI ratio method.
Sir,
You will
I
try,
will
ma?
explain tomorrow, sir.
Emma?
Sir, I will explain tomorrow, sir. I'll
Okay.
read once.
Okay, right.
Yes.
Sandeep, you will try, then I will explain again.
సార్ నాకు కూడా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంది సార్ అంటే ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఆ డివిజన్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్
నువ్వు ప్రాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి, ఐ విల్ గివ్ అసిస్టెన్స్ టు ఇట్.
ఎస్ సార్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ ర్యాండమ్ సో టోటల్ ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్
గివెన్ ఎన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్
yes and
capacity of bag is
bag length is equal to 15 and element
not bag length, bag capacity, use the word bag
yes
capacity.
maximum weight is equal to 15.
Okay, so in the previous example what you understand, PI by WI ratio is the best solution, right?
Yes sir.
So these are all the given tabular format.
Yes sir.
You will understand that is PI 10, 5, 15, 7, 6, 8 and 3. These are all given. Yes?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Corresponding profits. Right? Next,
yes.
what I have done? Just I calculated PI by WI.
Okay sir.
10 by 2, 5, right?
Yes.
5 by 3, 1.6. Like that I calculated. Confused, Eva?
Let's calculation.
Okay. What is the next step? I need to sort out.
Yes sir. So you need to sort according to the
According to the
weights.
algorithm, PI decreasing order lo sort out cheyamega.
Yes sir. Okay sir.
Sort out chesanu kada. Sort out cheste emotadi, corresponding position of element change అవుతుంది. Yes.
Yes.
So from this, which one is this one is the maximum. Antena?
Yes
That
sir.
will keep in the first position, right?
Hmm.
ఏమైనా లాజిక్ ఉందా?
నో సార్, అంటే వెయిట్ ప్రకారంగా సార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం అంతే కదా.
PI/W రేషియో ప్రకారంగా
సార్ట్
సార్ట్
చేస్తాం.
అవుట్
ఎస్
చేసాను. Yes,
Yes, sir.
completely sorted, right?
Hmm.
Right. What next? Take the empty bag.
Hmm.
Algorithm tracing అనమాట. First I am inserting the which element?
Maximum weight element.
Not
The
this is the
PIW.
PIB.
Maximum
Which element?
PIW. Maximum
X5.
X5. Okay, sir.
What is the X5 weight?
6. So we take only 1 unit of it.
1, right?
Yes.
X5. Remaining weight is
14.
14. Next, what is the next maximum value?
1 unit of the X1 element.
X1. Its weight is
5. Okay. X1 element 2. Okay.
2, right?
Yes.
The remaining weight is
12.
12, right?
Yes, sir.
Next,
X6 element
6. X6
1
element
unit.
weight is
4.
4. Remaining weight is
8. And
next
then
element is
X3 of weight 5.
X3, 5. Remaining weight is
3.
3. Next object is completed.
X7. Yes, sir. X7 of
X7.
weight 1.
8, 1. Remaining weight is
2.
2. Next is
Then we take 2 by third of X2 element.
X2. X2 is total weight is
3.
3, but not the capacity is exceeds, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So from that I have to take only 2 units
Yes, sir.
from 3 units.
Okay, sir.
Bag is full, right?
Yes, sir.
So X4 is no need to select. Okay, kada?
Yes, sir. Anతే, sir.
So what is the solution vector? X1 is 1, X2 is 2 by 3,
Yes, sir.
X3 is 1,
is 1, X4 is 0, X5 is
not
1.
selected,
Yes, sir. Not selected. Okay.
right? X5 is
And all the remaining are 1 unit.
so weights is almost all same. You will get Wi, Xi.
Yes.
Profit is
Sum of all the profits, which is 55.34.
finally by using this vector I will get 55.34.
Yes, sir.
Optimal solution.
సార్ నాకు ఒక చిన్న డౌట్ ఉంది.
Mm.
సో ఇక్కడ కింద XI అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రతి దాంట్లో 1 ఎలిమెంట్ తీసుకోవాలని ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్?
నువ్వే చెప్తావు చూడు ఇప్పుడు. చూడు కన్స్ట్రైంట్స్ ఏమన్నాయి చూడు.
ఎస్, ప్రాఫిట్. Zero is Xi less than equal to 1. Okay, sir.
అంటే we can't select first point 0. If you completely selected, 1 is inserted.
Yes.
That means one item is available.
Okay, sir.
అంటే constraints, these are 0, less than or equal, Xi less than or equal 1.
సో మాక్సిమం వెయిట్ ప్రకారం సార్ట్ చేసుకొని, సారీ, అది మాక్సిమం PI.
How to use maximum weight for unit cost? We use the word
Yes.
unit cost.
ఓకే సార్. సో మాక్సిమం యూనిట్ కాస్ట్ ప్రకారం సార్ట్ చేసుకొని మాక్సిమం యూనిట్ అంటే దేంట్లో ఎక్కువ ఉందో దాని ప్రకారంగా అన్నిట్లో 1 వాల్యూ వేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళాలి బ్యాక్ ఫిల్ అయ్యేదాకా. అంతేనా సార్?
Yes, 1 అంటే 1 అంటే the corresponding
yes,
weight
maximum.
is inserted. Yes.
ఎస్, అర్థమైంది సార్.
Anybody have any confusion on the knapsack? Srikar?
సార్
ఏం రెస్పాండ్ కావట్లేదు?
లేదు సార్.
Sir, you will
అసలు
explain this
పిలవలేదు
problem.
నన్ను.
This is taken from
Yes.
previous question paper.
ఎస్ సార్.
You will solve it. ఇవి సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి చాలా టైం తీసుకుంటుంది నాకు పీపీటీలు చేయటం. మీరేమో అసలు నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తారు.
అయ్యో లేదు సార్.
You will
ఇంకా
try.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా కాన్సెప్ట్ నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం కదా సార్, కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది.
ఏం కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇది? జస్ట్ కొంచెం 2 minutes బుర్రడిస్తే అయిపోద్ది.
ట్రై చేస్తాను.
ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయి శ్రీకర్. సందీప్ చెప్పేసాడు, నువ్వు చెప్పి.
ఓకే సార్, 1 second. సార్ ఇక్కడ n వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి 5.
సో టోటల్ n objects are available? 5 objects are available.
5 objects are available, sir.
Capacity of knapsack is
50.
ఓకే. నీ దగ్గర ఒక 50 kgs బ్యాగ్ ఖాళీగా ఉంది, రైట్?
Yes, sir. And 1 to 5 లో అవి పొజిషన్
కరెస్పాండింగ్ ఐటమ్ ప్రాఫిట్స్ ఆర్ 43152.
4315.
కరెస్పాండింగ్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ 20, 40, 10, 40.
20, 40, 10 and 35 and 40.
So these are given, that will be represented in the tabular form like this.
Sir.
Just I keep the details in the tabular form, PI, WI.
Yes, sir.
So now what is the next? Our intention is to calculate the unit cost for each item.
Yes, sir.
So that is PI by WI.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, I calculated. PI by 4 by 20 is nothing but 0.2.
1 by 5 is 0.2.
3 by 40 is nothing but 0.075.
0.075.
Right?
1 by 10 is 0.1. 5 by 35 is 0.143 and 2 by 40 is 0.05.
Okay, this is the resources are available. Then what is the next step? According to the algorithm, I need to sort out the all elements accordingly PI by WI ratio.
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but maximum element kept in the first position. That is P1 W1, right? Which one is the maximum?
P2, sir.
P2.
Which one is the maximum anarga, sir?
Which one is the maximum? 0 point maximum, right?
Yes, sir.
That will kept in first position.
Yes, sir.
What is the next maximum value?
0.143.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Next?
0.1.
Right?
0.067 and 0.05.
So simply just I rearrange the all objects accordingly PI by WI ratio.
Yes, sir.
So now these are all the available. So how you will select the items? This is empty bag.
Yes, sir.
First I am inserting the maximum PI by WI value 0.2. Its weight is
0.2.
weight. It is PI by WI ratio.
Weight to 20, sir.
20. How much empty is there bag? In the bag, 50 capacity. But in that I inserted the item 1. Weight is
30, sir.
అది కెపాసిటీ 50 కాబట్టి ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసాం కాబట్టి రిమైనింగ్ వెయిట్ ఇస్ 30, రైట్?
30. Yes, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ వెయిట్ ఈస్
35.
నెక్స్ట్ x. దిస్ ఈస్ ద x1. కంప్లీట్ గా
Yes,
ఇన్సర్ట్
sir.
చేసాం కదా 1. నెక్స్ట్
35, sir.
మరి మన దగ్గర కెపాసిటీ 30 ఉంది కదా.
అవును సార్, ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయము.
ఎక్సీడ్ అవుతుంది కదా లిమిట్. సో యాక్చువల్లీ
అవును,
అవర్ సో ఫ్రమ్ దట్ విల్ టేక్ ఓన్లీ 30 యూనిట్స్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 35.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు మార్కెట్కి వెళ్ళావు, కాస్ట్ 35 రూపీస్ చెప్పాను, నీ దగ్గర 30 ఉంటే 30కి ఎంత ఇవ్వమంటే అంత తీసుకుంటావు కదా.
అవును సార్.
అంతే కదమ్మా.
ఎస్ సార్.
సో దట్ ఈస్ వై బ్యాగ్ ఫుల్ అయిపోయిందిగా.
అవును సార్ ఫుల్ అయిపోయింది.
So no need to go for remaining objects,
ఓకే
right? So what you select from x1 is 1, x2 not selected,
0
x3,
0 సార్.
x4,
30/35.
and 5 6 are 5 6/7, right?
Yes sir, 6%.
30/35 or 6/7. x5
Yes sir.
not selected,
0 sir.
right?
Yes
Right.
sir.
This is the 20 units from x1, 30 units from x4, right?
Yes sir.
So what is the maximum profit from x1?
Uh,
4 is the profit. From x4, 5 units from 30/35, అంతేగా?
yes sir.
P, right? Final lot, how much you get? 8.268.
Yes sir.
This is the method. Is there any confusion?
No sir, clear.
It's clear. Algorithm
Yes,
almost
sir.
clear అనుకుంటా. Right. This is also applicable for the empty boxes also with respect to dimensions, which is generally used in the divide and conquer. That means dynamic programming. Any doubts from knapsack?
No sir, clear.
Okay. Am I anyone? No one is responding. Any doubts? Then you will ask. So two more problems are there. That is Minos cost spanning tree as well as single source shortest path. Any doubts from knapsack? Anybody have doubts?
Clear sir.
Sir, it's clear. That one, the job sequencing.
Clear sir, అది కూడా.
Okay, right. అట్లీస్ట్ మీరిద్దరే రెస్పాండ్ అవుతున్నారు. అట్లీస్ట్ ఎవరు? ప్రత్యూష లెఫ్ట్, రాజశ్రీ.
Yes, sir.
In the next class I will ask, so you need to explain one example, this, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Which one you will explain?
This one only, sir. Example.
This one only, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, this algorithm is clear.
Yes, sir.
One more thing is that much of detailed information not available in our textbook. So that is why while I am explain, it is better to listen,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. In the next class, spanning trees. It is very important. Please respond to our roll numbers. "23 Mohan Krishna, E2 Mamata, 17 series 6,
Present, sir.
11 Dhanush Rao."
Yes, sir.
క్లాసులు వింటున్నావా?
వింటున్నా సార్.
అర్థమవుతున్నాయా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఏదైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్